everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into chat with Copilot. So glad to see. Hit that like button and let's get started. Chat with Copilot. In Bitrix24, we can use Copilot in a special chat. So Copilot can assist you with a wide range of tasks like writing mail text or coming up with business ideas. In the latest updates, the chat with Copilot has some new options. Choose a Copilot role. Invite colleagues to chat. Use the chat with Copilot in the mobile app. How to open a chat with Copilot? Find the chat with Copilot in a separate tab on the chat panel. Copilot saves the chat history and remember your questions. Anytime you can return to the chat you started earlier to proceed. So click on the Copilot icon in the chat sidebar. To start a chat, click on plus or ask a question and select a role. For general questions, choose generic Copilot role. Enter your question or use the mic icon to ask by voice. For suppose, here we have some suggestions the Copilot has given. Do you have ideas on how to make meetings like that? So I'm clicking on this meetings more concise and substance. So it has given like this. We can also change the chat name manually or wait for it to update automatically based on your question. Thus, you can quickly find it in the chat list. So here we have one pencil icon. Click on that and change that as you want. Meeting question like that. Here you can see it was changed. We also have Copilot roles that we can see in the next video. So, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful to you or knowledgeable, so please subscribe and click on the bell icon. If you have any questions, comment below. I will answer to your questions. Thanks for watching.